In this video, I will show you how to set up international shipping on Shopify. First, you have to open your browser, like Google Chrome, Firefox, or others. On the search bar, type admin.shopify.com and press enter. Make sure to log into your Shopify account first. Shopify website will open. Then click on Settings located on the lower left side of the screen. A pop-up menu of settings will open. Search for the option Shipping and Delivery. Click on the option Shipping and Delivery, and you will see the general shipping rates on the screen. Click on the section where general shipping rates are available. You will see the shop location, which is Pakistan. You can also add international customers to check out. Inactive countries won't be able to check out. You can create a shipping zone by clicking Create Zone. Add your zone name and then select the country or region. You can add more countries and markets. Click on Add more countries or regions in markets. Add other regions in the market and click Done. You will see international countries that are added. Click on Add Rates in this section. You can add your shipping rates, rate name, description, and price. After adding information about rates, click Done. Check out the link given in the description to create your account on Shopify. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.